I'm in a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start. So first open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see your battery here with your positive terminal and your negative. You can also double check on the battery itself as well, because there'll be a plus sign on the battery for the positive and a negative sign by the negative. Next, I double check for corrosion built up that needs cleaned up, which you could clean off with a good brush or a rag. And then next, I double check these are all nice and tight. So if they're loose, just tighten them up so you have a good connection. And after that, with your jump box or with your jumper cables, make sure your red positive metal clamps directly to the metal here with as much metal contact as you can get. And then your negative clamp on this metal with as much metal contact as you can. And if you're using jumper cables leading to another vehicle, make sure the other vehicle is turned on, and that your positive leads directly to the positive on the other vehicle and the negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. You want to make sure you don't cross these by mistake. That could cause damage to your computer systems, electronics, fuses, things like that. But that said, once you've had these connected and it's been running for a few minutes, hopefully that gets you enough charge to get you started. If you've been trying for quite a while and you're still not having success, you might need to replace this battery. In which case you can do that by just loosening these terminals so you can remove the terminals. This cover just pulls right off. And then at that point, once you've got everything loose, disconnected, you can just lift the old battery out, put your new battery in, and then just reattach and tighten everything, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.